Okay, the Grow Garden Kitchen Storm update just got released, and this is what is gonna be happening in the update. Look, so before a few days ago, the Grow Garden owner, aka Jandal, said that there will be a cooking update part 2, which is the cooking storm update, and it got released yesterday. And this video is gonna be about how to do the event Grow Garden Kitchen Storm update. As you guys know, the cooking update part 1, you get the reward from Chris Kitchen, which is the pig. You just say view rewards, and these are the rewards. But actually, the new rewards, you guys go to when the update released, many of you guys went here and pressed view rewards, and you found nothing. The same mutations, the same seeds, the same cosmetics, the same seed packs, same eggs. But it's actually right here. The rewards are right here. You go to here, talk, view rewards, and you get it. This is the new rewards. We have the culinary chest, the butternut squash, the spring onion, the prickle fruit, the bitter melon, the kitchen crate, the pet chart aromatic, and the sunny side chicken, the gorilla chef, the cooking cauldron, the smoothie fountain, the kitchen flooring, the kitchen cart, and the gourmet egg. In the gourmet egg, we have 50% bagel bunny, 38% pancake mole, 7% sushi bear, 4% spaghetti sloth, 1% French fry ferret. And we have in the gourmet seed pack 14% onion, 25% jalapeno, 20% crown melon, 10% chicken glaze, 4.5% tall asparagus, 0.5% red tomato, and 1% for the rainbow seed pack. And in the culinary chest, we have 34.5% rhubarb, 34.5% baking pig, 14.5% badland pepper, 14.5% hot dog dachshund, and 1% king cabbage, 1% lobster thermometer. And in the lobster thermometer, every 2 minutes it goes to a plant and gives them the meteoric mutation, which is 125 multiplier. And in the kitchen crate, we have 70% frying pan, 70% pizza box, 30% sink cabinet, 13% stove, 13% fridge, 13% cabinet utensil, and 6% donut swing, and 2.1% Chris statue. And the Chris is the pig chef. And not only this, but even in the cooking, we have here the mutation. We have like mutation. When you cook something, when you give them a plant which doesn't have a mutation, you can give it here, then it turns into a mutation. So let's start cooking. So I'm going here. I'm gonna take a beanstalk. I'm getting a sugar apple, an amber lily, elder strawberry, and where is it? Wait, I'm looking for, I think that's it, right? Yeah, probably that's it. So yeah, let's start cooking. Let's go here. I hope it gets mutations. So let's start. Let's search for beanstalk. Wait. Let's just give a sugar apple, a beanstalk, an elder strawberry. Okay, elder. An elder strawberry. Amber Lily. A burning, if we have. Okay. A giant pine cone. We do not have a giant pine cone. We do not have a giant pine cone. And a burning wood. The most important thing. That's so crazy. What the? Okay, let's just take this. Let's just take that mango. 200,000? No, the mango. Okay, we took it. So let's quickly start cooking before time runs out. Yeah guys, that's basically a tutorial of how to get the rewards. What was it? Yeah, Amber Lily. Where is that? Okay, that's a mango. A mango. Oh, that's it, yeah? I think that's it. Okay. 7 minutes and 24 and 22 seconds. So while the time goes, I'm gonna tell you guys what is inside the wood reviews. You go to here, you press stock, you view rewards. First we have culinarian chest, then we have the gourmet seed pack. Wait guys, I already told you, right? Guys, I love to tell people some stuff. Some of you guys was like, why was there no new seeds in the seed jar? There was new seeds. It's because Gandalf didn't want to add more pay to win stuff. So yeah, because you see, what do you mean pay to win? Because the Elder Strawberry is 957 Robux. So if he wants to add another seed, it needs to be 999, 1,000. So Gandalf doesn't want to add a pay to win stuff, so he's still thinking what to do. Maybe he's doing sales. He wants to maybe from 900 to 500. Yeah, maybe like Blue Friday, something like that. Blue Friday sales in Grow Garden. That would be cool. Not gonna lie, that would make people play the game more and more, cause like it's gonna less pay to win. There was a game called Fish. Fish was a very popular game. All the streamers played it. Creecraft, Steak, Fulton, Tappy. Yeah, like all the famous YouTubers played it. And then suddenly people stopped playing it slowly and slowly, from normal players to YouTubers to streamers to the developers getting out of the game. It's because it's starting to get more pay to win. And Grow Garden, I'm not gonna lie, it is getting more pay to win stuff. So yeah guys, that is a problem for Grow Garden. That is a problem for Grow Garden, because Grow Garden is slowly getting less players, because yesterday's update was only 14 million players, which is not good. Yeah, not good. It is good, but like for Grow Garden just had 22 million players, something like that. What happened, Grow Garden? What happened, Grow Garden? Tell me. Is there more to pay to win stuff? Then make sales. Not gonna lie, look at the shop. 1,500 for 10 chests. 200 Robux for 1 chest. And then we got a rural. Like, just ask, a rural is 200 chests. 200 rocks, 200 Robux. What? An onion is 200 Robux. What? And the seed chop. Let's go to the seed chop. A carrot is 7 Robux. What? Carrot for 7 Robux? What the heck? Like, if you want to steal a carrot, like somebody garden, there's a carrot. You want to see that? 339 Robux. What? What? A carrot? You steal a carrot for 39 Robux? What do you mean? Carrot is always in stock. Make it 1 Robux. Or make it free. No, make it 1 Robux. At least 1 Robux. Yeah. 39 Robux for stealing. 200 Robux for a common or legendary stock. What? Huh. 250 Robux for extra slots. 399 Robux for extra common stocks. Increased pet inventory 399 Robux. We have here 37 Robux for 1 watering can. What? 1 watering can? Look. For the skip, buy a skip. How much? 89 Robux for 1 skip. It's only like 30 minutes. 39 Robux for a skip. What the heck? Like Jungle already makes people addicted on your garden. Literally addicted. So that's why they want to skip. So make the prices lower. Let's go to that. Okay, for common egg, 19 Robux. I'm gonna lie, good. That's good. Yeah, 200 Robux for a bug egg. Okay, guys. A bug egg is lower than an onion. What? How is a bug egg, which is the rarest egg of all time in Grow a Garden, the bug egg, the rarest egg, is lower than an onion seed, which is an uncommon seed, or a common seed. What? Okay, how about let's go to the cosmetics. Good, these are good. These are good, they don't have Robux, these. It's only a little stone. 200 Robux. We are mad. But guys, the next video is gonna be about Robux and stuff. But yeah. Okay, 38 seconds. I'm so excited. What do we get? Cause this is my first ever cooking. Cause yesterday, I actually posted the video yesterday and straight went to hang out with my friends. But yeah. Guys, yeah, I also checked today morning that lots of you guys voted Brookhaven to be my next video. Not next video, but next video is gonna be about Grow a Garden. But after the next video, which is gonna be probably tomorrow night, will be about Brookhaven. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna close my eyes. Did it go? Get off my eyes. Okay, it's good. Lucky cook one friend. I can't see anything, but yeah. Food items. Let's go to the food items. Nothing. Let's see here. Is that it? A smoothie! A smoothie. Okay. Let's give it here. Try this food I cooked up. Let's see here. The rat says please with your food and gives you a choice of reward. What is this reward? What's a kitchen card? Prickly fruit or whatever it is. But guys, I think that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you really pleased for my videos. So guys, see you tomorrow. Peace.